All right, YouTubers, welcome back. My name's Dave, and you found Do It Yourself, Do It Right. Got my Harley hat on.
No shit, Sherlock.
Standing in front of Charlene, or next to Charlene. I want to take her for a ride today. It's a beautiful day. It's supposed to be 76. And, well, I'm not too keen on that switch. The other day I got the bike out, put a battery in it, took her for a ride. The switch kept acting up. So I don't really feel comfortable riding it any distance. So what I did is I went on the old interwebs, found a switch, JMP Cycles, 78 bucks. A lot cheaper than the $240 that Harley Davidson wanted. So before I jump on the old girl, take her for a ride, I'm gonna change out this switch and take you guys along with me. So let's switch out this switch. No pun intended. Or was it? So I got a Alabama socket set, and I hope that all I need to do is take this nut off, and I also got a little metric set in case there's something that you got to take the switch loose. So let's loosen that old girl up. See it? Yep. Okay. I also have some terry cloths here, so I can, you know, should probably already done this, put it over the tank so I don't scratch up the tank at all. Because I think this is just going to pull up. You know, I got to take care of the old Softail Deluxe. Oh, okay, well. There's a washer there too. Don't forget the washer. Oh boy, all right. Okay, let's move that around. All right. Oop, well, that come loose. Okay, all right. You're gonna have to lay this on that stud, and I don't want it to scratch it all up. Yeah, okay, so it's just a little plug and then 4 little screws, and hopefully you know, the whole switch will come right out. I'll get you in here so you can see. Looks pretty simple. As you can see, it's just a connector. I'm gonna have to use 2 hands to get that off, and then 4 little screws, or they're probably screws. Pop those out and move this, get the switch out. It's probably going to be harder to get the switch out of this packaging than it is to take that switch apart. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. To my surprise, it's not actually metric. It's a good old standard. It's a 1/4 inch.
That's what she said.
It's the only thing that holds that in there. Pretty easy. We'll set this one off to the side so we don't get it mixed up with the new one coming out of the package. Guess I'm gonna have to remember to switch over the keys. And it's just a direct replacement. Same exact thing. Flip top. Boom, plug in. 4 screws. Don't lose the keys. Probably about the simplest thing you can do on this bike. Slam them screws in. New switch installed. Let's flip her over. Try not to scratch the tank. Oh, maybe clean up some of this stuff underneath the tank. I probably should get a new leather strap for it right here, because this is, it's looking kind of rough, but maybe someday in the not so near future. Oh boy, where's the stud? Oh, there it is. Put it in. Put it in.
No, not the time. Definitely not the time.
Washer, nut. Let's tighten her down. Make sure she works. Actually, I'm gonna make sure it works before I tighten it down. So here goes nothing. There we go. Switch. Switch. Good to go. Let's start her up. Let's get her warm. There you have it, folks. Switch works. MOC complete. For those of you that don't know what MOC is, you know, it's a maintenance operational check. Tight, tight. Keys. Don't lose the new keys. Not that I use the keys very much, but no, still don't want to lose them. There you have it, folks. That's all there is to it. Changing out a faulty a switch. It was, you know, it's been needing replacement for a while now, and I finally got around to, you know, doing it. So pretty easy task. You can definitely do this yourself. Don't take it to Harley. Harley will charge you ridiculous amounts of money to do that. Super easy. We got a bolt, 4 screws, and a easy plastic connector. So don't waste your money. Do it yourself. You know, do it right. So I think that's going to do it for this short, easy, quick video. If you like this kind of stuff, if you like the motorcycles, you guys notice there's one less motorcycle in the garage. That's because I sold it. Sold it rather fast, rather quickly. That bike went quick. And the bike I'm talking about is the Suzuki. So it's gone down the road. Hopefully the new owner is going to restore it. At least he says he's going to fix it and restore it and do, you know, good things to it. So that's it's very reassuring. So like you guys do at the end of all my videos, like, tag, share, follow, subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you know when I drop new videos. And like always, till next time, thanks a lot. She's running like a top.